Oh, I'm retarded. I hate myself. It's not even like it's not even like what I wanted to hit. I was trying to do like a running man. I was trying to do a bunch of shit, and I just fucking failed. Oh no,
No way.
I'm a failure. Dude, these guys are gonna look at me and be like, "What the fuck's wrong with them?"
Kill him.
Oh, I just did a fucking suicide though. Hit a little suey-dooey.
Okay, come on.
Oh my god, bro.
I didn't mean to do
Oh
that.
my god.
Oh, I did a fucking ladder stall. There we go. Ladder stall. I mean, it wasn't even cool or anything. Wow, laggy as shit. Damn. Okay. Al, this is really awkward right now. Yeah, but I just hit a shot now, and now I can't even say anything because you're here. Stepdad's down here. I can't say it. It's awkward. I don't want to be like, oh my god. It's really awkward. Okay, hit a shot right there finally. Yeah.
Did you
I mean,
go right?
it wasn't like gnarly, but it was like.
Hey, you hit something, right? That's all that matters.
No, it wasn't like that cool. Kind of.
Good? Oh, you hit it though. That's sick.
I am not gonna hit a shot. Ah, why did you do that? Look what I fucking did. Why did you do this? Now everybody's gonna insult you in the comments and we're just gonna be, oh, idiot. Good job done. Oh, 10, I'm leaving the call. You're back. Finally hit a fucking little shot. I mean, it wasn't good or anything. It was a fucking pistol switch, but it's a 1080. It was across the map. I mean, that's pretty cool. I mean, it wasn't across the map. But anyways, it wasn't even the point of the shot. I didn't even want to, like, it was 1080. It's all that fucking matters. It's so much, and we started loving it, and we started finding it the funniest thing in the world. I don't know why. Like, do you ever like say something? Wow. Okay. Let's get it. Got that suicide. Dude. Dude, I hate when I hit shots in the middle of talking.
Oh my god.
I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out, everybody.